Good morning everyone, I hope everyone's well. So it's Sunday today and we've decided to bring the kids out since it's a beautiful sunny day. So we've come up to a walk called Lathkill Dale. It's in Monash, which is near Matlock in Derbyshire. It's about a 2-mile walk and apparently there is a waterfall and some caves on this route, so the kids are looking forward to seeing if we can spot them.
We want to go down here.
So this is where we've come to, Lathkill Dale Natural Nature Reserve.
The water.
We're at that yellow sign arch where it says you are here. This is the walk we're going to be doing.
So we have to go all the way around.
I wonder if we'll see any birds.
All this purple one, this is where we're going. And the bloke seems to think, we spoke to, he says the waterfall and the caves around here somewhere. Keep an eye out, aren't we?
Do you know that water? We're going there.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
Shall we have a look then?
Keep going.
We've walked that far from the side.
We're always loving it. Archie, what are we looking for? Water?
Yeah.
And some waterfalls and some caves.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's lovely around here today.
Yeah.
Baby's in there snuggling with Leanne.
Look how far we just walked.
Already, I know.
That's not very far.
Not very far, mate, we've just left.
We've got about 2 miles, yeah.
Look, we have to go all the way around to get to them lakes and caves.
Yeah. All the way down the bottom of here, yeah?
Hopefully it's all flat.
We're a bit of luck. We've got no push here today because we know it's a bit of a hike, so we're carrying and walking. These are a bit eager beaver at the minute, but they'll soon slow down when we've done a couple of miles. What?
There's a frog. There's tadpoles in
You see
there
little
too.
tadpoles?
Dad, look, a dragonfly. A blue
Yeah.
one.
Nice little pond over a little wall. It's lovely.
And a blue dragonfly.
Can you see any dragonflies?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, yeah, wow. There's one there, look, you see it?
Look how big that one.
You see it?
Yeah. I'm looking for a frog. For a frog.
Lovely walk. Look at this. Beautiful. Kids just down there. Alfie, have you seen any birds or anything yet?
Beautiful clear blue skies today. Oh, look at the bird's nests in the trees. It's nice listening to the birds, isn't it? Whoa, the stand over this. I must be mad doing a 2-mile walk 2 weeks after having a baby, especially with pelvic girdle pain still. Well, it's actually 4 miles, but we're only doing halfway. Aurora, can you hear the birds? Can you hear the birds in the trees? It's quite a nice walk down here, although it's a little bit rocky, so we couldn't bring the pushchairs.
Wait then, just come round this corner, hold up. Where? No? Have a look. Oh, it's a little hole in the wall, has it? Got to climb over? Oh yeah. Just look at these beautiful views. Absolutely fantastic. Look over there. Look at that, Josh is loving it. Look at the blue skies. Beautiful. Aurora, what are you doing? You on Daddy's shoulders? Hey? You're on your daddy's shoulders. You see all them big dicky birds? Hey, look. No, you're not talking. Well, I don't know how far we are at the moment, but it's a bit of a tricky one. Up and down, lots of rocks. We're gonna have to have a pit stop soon. A bit of a snack. What? Is it windy? Is it windy? Oh dear. It's a bit windy. Who thinks we're getting close to waterfalls?
Well, we've got some running water. Can't really see very well. And we're still walking. Apparently we've got about another hour before we even reach the waterfall. And it is absolutely boiling. Especially carrying a baby in a wrap. And then we're having to walk on a load of rocks. Wow. You gotta be careful where you walk. Archie, have you seen all this?
Yes, Lord.
The sound of running water is very therapeutic. This must be the river that goes all the way down. Can you see the water, Aurora? It's getting faster down here, look.
Faster. Yeah, it's strong.
That's why you never go in water that's running this fast, because it's very strong and it'll quickly take you away, Archie.
It will. It'll take you down to the big rapid.
We found a nice little bit to sit by the river and have some sandwiches. Where's your drink, Aurora?
Yeah, baby.
It's there. Is that nice?
Is that nice?
Have you seen how clear the water is?
Lovely, isn't it?
Crystal clear there.
Mm. Nice,
We've
isn't
just passed the waterfalls, which are back up there. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's full of people, so we've just come down this bit while we have something to eat, and it's a little bit more quieter.
Is it nice, Archie?
You're going to put your feet in that little stream when you've had your sandwich. What have you got in your sandwich, Archie? Is it tuna?
She's an onion.
Whole.
Go on in, test it out and tell me what it's like, Archie.
It's freezing.
It's freezing.
Freezing.
No,
What is it like?
Freezing.
Can't hear ya.
Freezing.
Freezing. Is it just cold on your feet?
It's warm here.
It's warm. You just said it's freezing.
Freezing over here. Warm over here.
Archie?
Yeah? Oh, it's cold.
Oh, Joshua, good in. We'll go straight for it. Hold Archie down. Go, Joshua. Go under the fountain. Well, Alfie. Right, so we've been down to the waterfalls, went to do the caves, but they're shut. A bit disappointing that was.
So now we're on the 2-mile walk back.
2 mile walk back and it's absolutely scorching. So yeah, we're just walking up now. It's gonna be a while to get back. There's Lily. Hi, Lil. Yeah, them little birds tweeting. Crab claw, I don't think you have, mate.
How do we get that stuff off then?
You can't see no crab. Well, let's have a look then. Let's have a look. I don't know what that is.
Shimmy.
Yeah.
Shimmy.
Yeah.
That is a foul.
We're always on Josh's shoulder because she's a bit tired. Archie's, he's powering off the machine.
That's a plant out here.
Hey, mate. And just look at the blue sky still. Lovely. Again there, Archie.
Yeah?
You enjoying it?
Yeah.
Face is a bit red, mate. Can't believe you've got a big backpack at all. Doing well, all you are, mate.
Not this again.
Not this again.